All right, guys, it's another day. Um, I have a shift knob that I bought a little while ago. I think it was on sale for, don't remember the price, maybe 120, 130. And I wanted to install this on my Integra Type S. I mean, this one looks good. I don't think there's anything wrong with it, but I don't know. I do like this one better. I think it'll shine a little more in a way. So I couldn't figure out how to take the shift boot off. I watched a video and they're using this clip remover. So I was able to just stick it in and just pry it. I was very gentle. Obviously, I don't want to break anything. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need. I think I'm gonna need a 14 millimeter socket. So, oh yeah, I can feel it. It's right here. So I'll get that right now and just replace it. All right. Here's my little rusty 14 millimeter wrench. Let's see if we can. All right. There it is. The original shift knob removal. Very nice. Rest stitching. It's a really good shift knob. I don't know if I want to sell it, but I think I'll keep it. It'll look good in my garage. Here's the, I guess you can say better looking one. So let's put it on here. All right. Just gonna make this tight. All right. The installation is almost done. All I gotta do is put this back. And there it is, guys. Now I have a beautiful shift knob, red and black. looks good. Feels good as well. This one is, so you can tell the difference. This one is a little bit more rounded, I guess. This is oval. Oh yeah, I like it better. All right, I'm ready to shift already.